Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you found me on the internet. I'm Sohee, an experienced online Korean teacher with a passion to help gather Korean learners all over the world to connect and learn together. I'm married to a Korean and am living my dream life in Korea. I am from Hong Kong and I started out just like you, not knowing any Korean. With a mission of helping foreigners to speak Korean fluently in mind, I'm building a community at the INSSA Korean Club where I give out weekly Korean lessons to our members. The goal of the community is to provide you with consistent Korean support and opportunities to use the language with friends that you make inside. It doesn't matter if you're a total beginner, you're going to learn how to pronounce the Korean alphabet first. If you're interested in joining our community, please head over to the link in the description box. If not, it's totally fine. You can still like this channel and subscribe to it to learn more Korean. You can also follow me on Instagram at Inside Korea. On the channel, you'll be able to find videos on Korean learning tips, real-life Korean that taps into grammar and vocabulary, and more videos will be up sharing what life in Korea looks like. Feel free to hang around and chat with me in the comment box. You can ask me anything or just say hi below. I'd recommend you to watch this video over here to get more study tips and download your Korean study planner for free. See you there!